In this video, we're going to show you to install the vapor canister vent solenoid on your INFINITI G37 X, located in the rear portion of the vehicle. Underneath the rear of the vehicle, we have this plastic shield. There's going to be a series of 10mm bolts and nuts we need to remove in order to gain access to the solenoid. So we did spray these down with some rust penetrant. What you might have to do is work these back and forth in order to get them to come loose. On the back section here, we have two plastic trim buttons. Use a trim tool. We want to pop out the center here. And sometimes these plastic buttons are fragile, they can break, but you can always source some replacements. And then slide that cover out. Right here we have our solenoid attached to our charcoal canister. We're going to use our hose pliers here and work this off. We have an electrical connector here. There's a pinch tab on the top. You're going to press down on that and then work this off. Now I'm going to turn this counterclockwise and pull this out. So there's a little lock tab here that pretty much locks in when you spin this back up. But this is notched. There's two thick tabs and two thin tabs, and that pops right out. Take the new component, and you do want to make sure that the canister itself is clean. Take the component, install that at 90 degrees, and twist that back up and snap that in. You can just feel it snap in up top. Install the electrical connector, snap that on, install the hose. And we're going to insert our rear cover underneath the bumper cover here. Get that lined up, and we're going to install our two bolts right here first. Get these started. I'm going to thread them up as far as I can by hand. We're not going to tighten them yet until we get all the other ones installed. Once we get this one started, I'm going to go ahead and repeat for the other side. Now we can go ahead and snug everything down. Once you get everything secured here, go ahead and lower the vehicle down to the ground. If you happen to have a check engine light, you want to go ahead and use your scan tool to properly clear that code and then go for a road test. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.